everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to be doing a home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I have been doing a lot of shop with me's at Homegoods, TJ Maxx, so I've been picking up little things here and there, and I'm ready to show you guys all the goodies now. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my next video. Let me show you guys what I got. First, a little bit of decaf. I was craving this and my husband got it for me, so sweet. So if you watch my previous shop with me videos, you notice that they have a lot of Easter decor and also spring. So I did get a couple of flowers. As you can see, I will show you those as well. So the first item that I got is this cute little bunny. I showed you guys this on my Instagram stories. The price for it was $12.99, and I purchased this from Marshall's. This is how it looks like. How I displayed it is I put it on my center piece of my table, you can say. I got a tray that I'll be showing you on this video as well. And I put some candy. It was so cute. Leo loved it, but I feel like he was just after the candy the whole day, so I had to take it away. And I'm planning on putting something else that is a little more healthier, and that way Leo can enjoy his little snacks from time to time. I'm not sure. I was thinking carrots, like little baby carrots. That would be a good idea. But we'll see what I come up with. But yep, this is my first item. After Christmas, I did shop for like the clearance items that were like on sale, you know, like the Christmas sale. I did purchase a few things. I never got a chance to show you guys. I don't know if you guys are interested in watching the video. If you do, comment down below and I can make it. If not, I'm just going to skip it and show you guys close to Christmas. But this is one of the items that I picked up, and I thought it was so cute. It's a little throw-on blanket by Cynthia Rowley, I want to say. The price for it was half of this, so I only paid $10 for this little throw-on blanket, and it's gonna be perfect like for year-round. And I'm gonna use it on my living room. I can also use it in my room because I don't know if you guys remember, I had an old one. It was not as pretty, and when I saw this for $10, I was like, oh my god, it's perfect. I have to replace it, and so I got it. So yeah, I got this one, and I also got it in white. Look how cute this is. And again, the price was only $10 for this. And on one side is velvety, the other side is like faux fur, of course. So yeah, this is what I got from Marshall. Comment down below if you enjoyed the background. Let me know, what do you think? I did change it up a little bit. I'm going under, like, what's it called? Renovation up here. I'm trying to like do a different style of decor, but I'm also keeping a few things, so I don't know. I'm trying to rearrange because I kind of wish I had like a closet and then on another room like my makeup room, but that's just too much to ask for. So I only have a makeup room, and it's also / closet. My next item, this is from Homegoods. I got it off the HomeGoods in Point Loma. If you are in San Diego area, honestly you guys, I highly recommend that HomeGoods. Well, to be honest, you never know what you're going to find at the one of El Cajon or the one in Mission Valley or Point Loma. So I'm always all over the place. The next item that I got is this beautiful tray. This mirror tray was only $24. Right here. I am interested in buying the coffee table from Sea Gallery, the one that is like really pretty and is silver with mirror, I think. And I thought if I purchase that coffee table, it seems to be pretty big. I would like to have this tray under, and also the other tray that I'm about to show you. It's a bit bigger, but I just thought it would go really well together. I have placed this tray in my room and also in my dining room. On like the little buffet table that I have as well, so you can always place it everywhere. It's beautiful. I love the design. The little circles is so pretty, and I think the price was amazing too, because it's a mirror. I thought it was going to be a lot more expensive, but it was actually not. So I'm very happy with my new tray. The next item is also for Easter. Voila! I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys which one would you prefer. But I honestly, everyone had different opinions. I love them both. And I ended up finding the baby one over here. So I got both of them. The price for this was only, for this one, it was on clearance. And this one was $7.99. And it has like a little shiny coat right here, and it's made out of wood. They're both made in India. I placed them on my living room and Leo loves them. He's always trying to play with them and I'm like, no Leo, it is not a toy. And then he puts them back. But they're just so cute. And what I loved about them is that I can use them year round, you guys. I love like bunnies and squirrels and all that stuff. So it's gonna go perfect once I start decorating my backyard and I do my little garden theme. I'm definitely gonna bring them over there as well. This is going to be a long haul. I am definitely gonna have to split this haul into 2 different ones because it's a lot of stuff and I don't want this video to be too long. But anyways, let me show you guys my next item. The next item, it is from Homegoods. You know I love me some Homegoods. So this is what I got, you guys. Oh my god, voila! Look how cute this arrangement is. I love it. And the price for this was only, there you go, $30. This is how it looks like. And the plan was to put it in a tray, like the one that I just showed you. I'm going to do like a little display so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is what I got. Over the years, they do start getting old. Some of them turn yellow. Surprisingly, the ones that I got, I want to say 3 to 4 years ago, the ones that I have over there on the corner, they have been holding on really well. I did pay $100 for that little flower arrangement. It was not that little, it's pretty big. But I'm honestly very surprised of how well they look. So if next time you are hesitant on spending a lot on a flower arrangement, think about it as it's gonna last you many years, because I also like buying real flowers and those last me 2 weeks at the most. And I mean, where I purchase my flowers is not super expensive, but I'm just saying it's good to like invest a little money. If you really like the arrangement, I say go for it. There's an arrangement that I've seen, it's already been at Homegoods for 3 months. I think I shared it with you guys on Instagram. I believe the price for that arrangement is $200. I really want it. I told my mom saw it, she thinks it's beautiful. She thinks it's a bit expensive, but hopefully I get the chance to purchase it if it goes like, you know, on clearance and stuff. Because sometimes with the items are at Homegoods for a long time, they mark it down. So I'm waiting for that markdown because $200, it's a bit too much. But like I said, it's gonna last me many years. There you go. But you get the idea. Just like that on a tray. Maybe you can put like a little book, coasters, have it on your coffee table. I did something like this on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me there. I like posting pictures of how I decorate my table and my home. So check that out. It's at LeslieJoanna_. Okay, so let me show you guys my next item. Since we're on that Easter spirit around here, I want to show you guys my new tablecloth from Marshall's. Oh my goodness, I saw it and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. A bunch of bunnies. I'm so excited to be placing this on our table, on our dining room, and I cannot wait for Leo to have his little reaction. I want to see what he does when he sees these bunnies. Because every time I do something different, or whether I'm wearing something or I get him new shoes or like a new shirt, he always has like a really cute expression on his face, like wow. So I'm sure he's gonna make this a big deal, even though it's something so small. And I purchased this for $16.99. The one place that I love decorating the most has to be my dining table. I feel like it's a very special place in my house. Just because every day we sit at dinner and we gather, like my kids, my husband, and we have dinner and we also get to spend quality time. So I like to make it really comfortable and also very pretty for them. So I hope they can remember that when they grow up. Like, oh, my mom used to always make our dining room so pretty. And this is one of the items that is gonna make memories with us, and I'm sure it is, because I can already see Leo getting so excited over it. I miss you guys so much. I haven't seen you in forever. It's getting harder and harder to record nowadays, but luckily today my husband is helping me and I am able to record. Anyways, so this is the other tray that I got. This is a lot bigger than the one that I just showed you. This was more expensive. I'm gonna show you both so you can see the side comparison. You see how much bigger this is than this? They're both really pretty. I had to have them both because, like I said, I do plan on getting that Sea Gallery coffee table down the road, and I know this is gonna look very well with it. And that's how it looks like. Big one and little one. This one right here, it is for the girls' room from Homegoods. The price for it was $19. And it's super duper cute. It's a very thick fabric, which right here it tells you that it saves energy and also blocks the light, reduces noise, blocks UV rays, and it cools the room. So right now we also got new windows in our whole house, so that helps. But having something like this is gonna help even more, especially for this San Diego cold nights. It's been getting really cold at night, so I'm excited to be placing them on their windows. I got this from Marshall's, and it's actually 3 pieces. And these flowers right here were $12.99 for 3. And these ones were $9.99. The base was $14.99. I don't know. It looks very rustic, but with the flowers, it just, I don't know. I think it's perfect. And I ended up purchasing 2 of them, 2 sets. I made them myself, so this is what I decided to go for. They're pretty huge. They're pretty tall, so I like that. I have one right there and another one over here. You know me and my flowers. Because I did see the, what's it called, the $100 base, the ones that I already have, but the flower was actually open. And I was contemplating on getting those, but when I made this arrangement, I was like, oh my god, I love it. It's less than $100 each. Actually, for both of them, it's even, I paid less than $100. So I was super duper happy. And it's something so unique, and I made it myself, so it's even better. I did try to go to Michael's and I purchased some flowers, but it's not the same quality, you guys. I have to say, I love my Homegoods fall flower quality. I don't know if you guys can agree or disagree. The ones from Michael's, I did see that the ones that are pretty, like just like my expensive arrangement, they retail for like $16 each little flower. So I was like, even if it's 50% off, and I want to make like a big arrangement, it's going to be a lot of money. I did purchase all of this stuff separately. It took me a while to collect it all. But yeah, so don't think I just dropped all that money at once. It takes time to collect all this and to find it as well. Okay, you guys, I saved the very best for last. This is something that is going to go in my living room. And this right here, it is what I got for my living room. Voila! I don't know if you guys remember, if you saw my shop with me at Homegoods, I found this beautiful, beautiful canvas, and I ended up picking the 3 of them. I don't know if you guys remember. I hope you do. Right now they have like a little plastic over it, but the price for these beauties was, they're pretty huge, $60 each. Let me see if I can display them up here. This is how they look like. They're flowers. It has like gold and silver. This is like 3D. It pops out. And I just loved everything about it. It's gonna look beyond beautiful. And give me 1 second. I'll show you. Okay, so this is what they look like. Super duper big. But my wall is pretty huge too, so it's gonna go perfect. And I'm gonna have to take the plastic off. They're my favorite thing out of this whole haul. It's gonna make such a big difference in my living room. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item. Have you seen any of this item at your local HomeGoods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx? And also, let me know if you would like to see part 2 of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! Leah's gonna say hi to the bunny. Just say hi, okay? Let's not take any of his candy. Say hi. No, don't take his candy, mi amor. Hey, I got you on camera.